Next question on your trial balance. Prepare trial balance of Miss Isha Bangar on 31st March 2016. So trial balance में is easy. Debit जो भी side है वो debit में डालो, credit in the credit side, and then at the end trial balance shows a arithmetical accuracy. So debit and credit side should tally. Okay. So let's start. Capital. First item capital. Now capital is in your credit side having credit balance. So capital to your credit 90,000. Stock on 1/4/15, that is your opening stock. So point number 2, opening stock on 1/4/15, that comes up to 4,000. Point number 3, furniture and fixture. My assert, all asserts, be it furniture and fixture, land and building, plant and machinery, सबको डेबिट बैलेंस होता है. They are my asserts. So furniture and fixtures at the debit side. $13,000. Land and building, again my assert. Land and building 50,000. Plant and machinery 32,000. So plant and machinery is also my assert. Plant and machinery 32,000. Okay. Now moving on to your point number 6. Purchase. Purchase has debit balance, sales credit. Purchase को debit करते हैं हमेशा. So purchase 40,000. To your debit. Now sales. Sales credit. Opposite of purchase. Sales 70,000 to your credit. Discount allowed is my expense, debit side. So discount allowed. $2,000. Discount earned or discount received is my income to my credit side. Discount earned is 3,000 to my credit side. Wages and salaries, my expense. So debit side, wages and salaries 5,000. Okay. Next purchase return. Purchase को क्या किया है? Purchase is debited. So your purchase return has to be credit. Purchase return is opposite of purchase. So point number 11. Purchase return. $500. Coke and coal, my expense, debit. $600. Rates and taxes, against my expense, so debit. $4,000. Trade creditors. Creditors have credit balance, debtors have debit balance. So point number 14, trade creditors. $20,000. Drawings have debit balance. See, capital में से पैसा निकाला, you withdraw your capital, so it is drawings. Now capital, see the first point, capital is having credit balance and you are reducing your credit balance due to drawing. So drawing has a debit balance. Drawings. Your debit balance 3,000. So next point, after drawings, bills payable 1,000. Bills payable, my liability. See, bills receivable are my asset, so debit side. Bills payable are my liability, so credit side. Bills payable of 1,000 rupees to the credit. Okay, next is cash 36,000. Cash again my asset, so in the debit side. Closing stock 25,000. Now this is a big trap. Pay attention over here. Closing stock. First use closing stock का आता ही trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet बनाते हुए. So trading account is main where you put the closing stock. Closing stock is already adjusted before you make the trial balance. Again यदि trial balance में closing stock दिया, your trial balance will never agree. You have to just note down below the trial balance in notes that the closing stock is equals to 25,000 rupees. Don't put here in your debit or credit column कि stock जैसे मैंने opening stock 4,000 दिया है तो मैं closing stock 25,000 दे देती हूँ. You'll go wrong. Closing stock, always remember, is a trap. No place for closing stock in your trial balance. Okay. Now next, suspense account. Now what is suspense account? First of all, when your trial balance does not tally, means the arithmetical error is still there and you are in your hurry to prepare your final accounts, that is your trading P&L and your balance sheet. So trial balance is not agreeing, means arithmetical accuracy रह गई है, but for that you cannot stop. You want to know the profit, so you will make your trading P&L and balance sheet account and the difference you will put in suspense account. यदि credit side higher है तो debit balance होगा और यदि debit side higher है तो credit balance होगा. So they have set suspense account question mark, means the sides debit and credit does not tally. So we'll have to find out which is the higher side and the balancing figure हम lower side में डालेंगे and that will go in your suspense account. So very important point here. Suspense account. We don't know the figure right now. So let's take the total. In rough column, let me write the debit side total. It comes up to 1,89,600. So this is my debit side. 189,600 is my debit side total, and the credit side total here comes up to 1,84,500. Okay. So which is heavier? The debit side is obviously heavier, 189 and 184. How much is the difference? 189,600 minus 184,500. credit side is short by 5100 rupees. So you have to put 5100 in your credit side, and that will be the balance of your suspense account. Means by 5100 there is an arithmetical error which could not be found out. Now, so the method is दोनों side का total लो and the lower side में balance लगा दो difference का. Okay. Now taking up the total 189,600. And now it matches 189,600, and under a note, under trial balance, you just need to note down that closing stock is value of 25,000. There is no place for closing stock in trial balance, although opening stock comes in your trial balance. Okay. Going to the next question from aforaccounts.com.